Welcome everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you the solution of this snap program. So here we have to write a program that read a number of days and then compute and display the equivalent number of weeks and days. That means we have to find out the equivalent number of weeks and days from number of days. Now you already know that 1 week is 7 days, we know that. And for example, if the input of days is 41 days, then our program should show the answer 5 weeks and 6 days. Okay. Similarly, if it is like 14 days, our program should show the answer 2 weeks and 0 days. So there is a hint. We can use the mod, round and floor function from the snap program. So let us start our program at first. So I'm going to use a notepad just to write sometime. Okay, so first of all I'm going to open a snap window and let us go to the control and start a program, and then let us make the necessary variables we need. So in this case I need to calculate the first I have to take input of days, so I need a variable. So let us make a variable called days, and then I have to calculate weeks, so I can make another variable for weeks also. So I'll make two variables, days and weeks. So variable, make a variable days and make a variable weeks. So two variables. Now let us read the, so we now read the number of days now. So we'll read the number of days. So for that we'll use the ask block from sensing. So we'll say enter number of days. Then we'll set this answer to the days variable. Now from these days I have to calculate the number of weeks. Now we know that 1 week is 7 days, so how I can do how I can calculate the weeks? Just simply by dividing the days by 7 I can get the days. So let us do that. So we'll use an operator here and we'll set the number of weeks to days divided by 7. Now let us run the program and see are there any problem here or not. So once you run the program, you see enter number of days. So if I say 41 days, that is given in the question, like if you enter 41 days it will show 5 weeks. So let us see. So now we ran the program and then you can see the number of weeks is not 5, it is 5.85. So what is the problem here? Because when you divide 41 by 7, the original result will be 5.85. That is the number of weeks. But now we don't want the decimal point. We want to show the number only, which is what is the number exactly. So in this case now, how I can get rid of this decimal point? And you know that there is a function here called floor, and this is in the square root function. So if you open this top down menu, you can see there is a function called floor. So this floor function will remove these decimal. We know that floor of any decimal will be like 5.85 as example. It will be floor of this will be 5. Okay, because it will be the integer like this. So if I do the floor and of this result days over 7, that means 5 of 5.85, the floor will be of 5 only. So now let us run the program, and here I put the number of days 41, and then I press enter. So I can see the weeks now 5, so which is giving me a right result. Now according to this question, I have to find out the number of days left. So for that we can use the mod function. So you know that the mod function returns the remainder. So if I take the mod days mod 7, it will return me the remaining days. So that I can set to days, number of days left. So if I run the program now, if I say 41 days, so the answer is now 5 weeks 6 days. If I run the program again and try with another value like 14, so you can see now 2 weeks 0 days. So this is working. So let us now display the result. So I'm going to display two result, number of days and weeks. So at first I'm going to display the weeks and days. In this case also I want to use the join block. So let us put the join here, weeks and days. So what is the message in the program? 5 weeks. So let us put weeks here, 5, then weeks, and days we want to print at first. So days like this. Okay, so now let us stop the program. Okay, stop the script. So let us run the program again, enter number of days. So let us say 41, now 5 weeks and 6 days. So this program is running. So that's all for this program. Thank you everyone for watching.